There's a lift. So this is the lift. Then next to it, the door where I'm leaving. So we go in. Your shoes here. This is how it looks like.
When the school compound on Monday is week, school year, the moment of really learn that government to compound means
This is what you get. Okay, the first thing you get is a bathroom. There is soap there. There is bucket. There is window. The door is like that. Then there is tissue, Dettol, toilet cleaner, and hair freshener. The toilet is so big. And then you close the door behind you. That's the door. So meaning it's en suite because there is a toilet and a bathroom inside. And then inside you get in. Now this is where Talia and Natal are spending the night. So when you get in, this is how it looks. So spacious. There is a mirror here, a very beautiful mirror. And then there is a baby cot, and it also has a mosquito net, which is so beautiful. I like it. We have the ironing board. The closets are the sliding type, like you can slide them. That's how they look. There's an ironing box down there. There's some bed sheets and blankets. And then on this other side, we have a bed, a big bed. I love this type of mosquito nets. They look so amazing. Yeah, it's a big like bed, and then on this other side we also have the same. It's a double decker, which is so beautiful. Wow, I like the way it looks like, and then that's how it looks. So beautiful. That's my jacket, don't worry. And then we have, oh, let me show you up. We have a fan. I like the way they have put their mosquito net. Instead of hanging strings falling, they have put chains. Like these chains are strong to hold the stand for the mosquito net. Yeah. And then we have sliding windows, which is so beautiful. Looking out and admiring the town of Shanzu, as you can see. Yeah, and that's the road where we are. It's so beautiful. Yep. Hallway. We have a very big mirror here. Yeah, it's so big, like from up, down. And now let's go this way. Let me see if they're right. Good. So it's a big house. So we go straight. It's a 3-bedroom Airbnb, and on my left side we have another room. Let me show you. Wow. So this is how it looks like. I love the thing we're putting down here. That's my bag. That's another bed down there, and then that's the window, very big. We also have a fan here. Yeah, that's how it looks. And then once you enter the first door is the washroom, the bathroom thing. Let me put the lights on. Yeah, that's how it looks like. The bathroom. So here we have a sink, we have the hand wash, then there's 2 cups for the brushing the teeth, the toilet papers, the toilet is here, very nice. And then we have another bathroom. This is separate, but also it has soap, shower, hot water also. Yeah, it's that big and spacious. I've loved it. Yeah, so that's it. Then after the toilet we have another door here. This is the outside balcony. Okay, I don't know why it's not going on. That's the balcony, you can see. And then it overlooks a hotel. Let me see. Oops. You see the door is a mirror. This is a very nice balcony. That's our neighborhood. You can see. Then this is the town. You can see cars passing by. That's the highway, the Bamburi, Shanzu, whatever. And then here we have a hotel, and we have a club also. Down here that's the parking, and that's our neighbor's place. Yeah, that's a neighbor's place. And then that's a club. I understand it's one famous politician. And then those are houses there. Then from a bedroom you can see a swimming pool. That's there, down there. That's where I'm going right now. Then guys, let's go to the next room, which is on, yeah, so after my room there is another window here, guys. It has a balcony also, but now this balcony is for this other room. Yeah, this other room. That's a very big and spacious balcony. Let me close these ones. I don't know if there are mosquitoes here. So once you come in, this is how it looks like. The first turn, we have a table, a bed table side, and then we have a lamp. We have a very nice big bottomless bed. That's the bed. That's how it looks. And then it has that kind of mosquito net. Very nice, very beautiful. I think I've loved it. How it looks. And then there we have a mirror there, the AC. Yeah, we have AC and the fan. And then that's the mirror there, and the closet also sliding. Yep. And then here we have the closet. They have a very light blanket in it and some bed sheets. That's how it looks. Then it has shower. I hope you noted that. Let me put the lights on. Sorry guys about that. Now that's how the toilet looks in. Like, let me show you from far. So once you enter, you go straight. You'll get, yeah, everything you see. There's a sink, there's a mirror, freshener, and then there's a toilet here. And then we have some variety of things there, hair, things. And then there is tissue. And then on this side there is also now the cubicle bathroom, which is so big.
Saturday.